Hi everyone, and welcome to day 19 of Take 5. This is going to be a fun day, it's going to be aggressive, and it's going to be great. All right, 5 minutes in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Top of that push-up position for me. All right, exhale down to your forearms. And we are going to kick right off with an army crawl today. So walk, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4. Now, some of you may be dragging your forearms, and if you are, you're gonna hate me tomorrow. So do not drag those forearms, lift and place them, all right? Otherwise, like I said, you won't like me tomorrow. One more time, walk it back. Nice, walk it forward. Beautiful, hold here, exhale, plank, one hand, and then the other, tight, tight core, 4, 3, 2, drop your knees, perfect. Now, have a seat on your bum for me. So, sit. Bring your arms forward. Bring your knees up. Good. Exhale your hands in front of you. Twist right. Lower down. Come up. Center. Left. Lower. Up. Center. Right. Lower. Lift. Center. Left. Lower. Lift. One more right. Right. Lower. Lift, smile, left, lower, lift, hold, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scooch forward. Good, lay down onto your back. Exhale, your legs are gonna swim. We're gonna extend our legs out in 3, 2, 1. Head up, swim. 8, 7, 6, arms up. 4, come on, 3, 2, recover. We go again in 3, 2, 1, swim. Go, swim, swim, swim. Come on, put yourself somewhere beautiful. 4, 3, 2, rest. Oh. All right, guys, one more time we swim in 3, 2, 1, up, reach, let's go. 8, 7, come on, 6, strong, strong, strong. 4, 3, 2, lower. Yes, knees to chest. Exhale, rock it up. Back into that boat, okay? So pull your feet up. Good, arms forward. Rotate right. Halfway down, come back up. Center. Left, halfway down, come back up. Yes, right. Lower. Lift. Center. You're over halfway. Lift. Center. Right. Lower. Lift. Center, left, lower, lift. One more time, right, right, lower, lift. 1, left, lower, lift. Hold it. 4, 3, 2, 1. We go to plank. All right, guys, under 2 minutes on this clock right now. So we are going to work on that army crawl in 3, 2, start in plank. Good, left forearm, right forearm, make fist. Crawl, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, good work. Back, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, woo, back, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4, less than 90 seconds. How you doing? You're having fun today. I told you we were gonna get after it. One more time, back, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, hold your forearms, 4, 3, come on, 2, 1, exhale to the right, okay? And this bottom right knee is gonna come to your chest, hold, 4, 3, use your left inner thigh, slide it back, center, hold, give me a crawl, back, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, hold it, now let's go left, ready? Transition, arm up, bottom knee in, use that right leg, 4, use your core, 2, exhale back, and then center. All right, guys, in 3, come on, knees have not dropped, 2, and walk, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, 3, 4, come on, back, 2, 3, 4, forward, 2, less than 20 seconds, come on, back, 2, 3, 4, you're almost there, yes,
Come on, bring it back. 2, 3, 4, final seconds. 2, 3, hold it right here. Come on. This is your finisher. Strong, tight. Yes, yes, yes. Done. Nice work, guys.
Told you, day 19 was fun. Good work. I'll see you tomorrow for take 5. Bye, guys.